The journey from vineyard to bottle, field to jar, and orchard to treat is a symphony of precision, passion, and nature's bounty. Every grape, tomato, and apple tells a story of meticulous care, advanced technology, and time-honored traditions. This is the unseen world behind your favorite foods, where raw ingredients transform into culinary masterpieces through relentless dedication and innovative processes. Step into the heart of food production, where every detail matters, and discover the artistry that brings flavor to your table. Grapes hang heavy on the vine, their skins taut with promise under the unrelenting sun. Farmers pace the rows, their hands calloused from months of coaxing life from the soil. Weed control, precise fertilization, and ceaseless vigilance shape these vineyards into thriving ecosystems. The stakes are high. Every decision determines whether the harvest will yield fruit bursting with flavor or fall short of its potential. For these growers, the harvest is more than a task, it's a reckoning, a moment when their labor is judged by nature itself. The practice of thinning sets vineyards apart. Farmers deliberately sacrifice clusters of grapes, pruning away excess to channel the vine's energy into fewer, superior fruits. This counterintuitive act ensures each grape grows larger, juicier, and richer in sweetness. Left unchecked, a vine's ambition would produce a crowded yield, small lackluster grapes diluted in flavor. Thinning is a bold choice, a testament to the grower's trust in quality over quantity, and it pays off in every vibrant bite. Rows of crimson grapes bask in the sun, their deep hues signaling readiness. These aren't just any grapes, they're powerhouses of antioxidants, flavor, and color, destined for juices, jams, or the finest wines. Harvesting them is a dance of technology and finesse. Machines glide through the vines, their vibrations calibrated to coax only the ripest grapes from their stems. The gentle shaking ensures unripe clusters remain, preserving the vine's future while gathering the best of the present. Once harvested, the grapes begin a transformative journey. They roll through sorting lines, where skilled hands and sharp eyes ensure only the finest make the cut. Advanced machines cradle the grapes, guiding them to a cleansing bath that washes away the vineyard's dust. This soak enhances their juiciness, loosening dirt without compromising integrity. The discarded debris is swept away, keeping the factory pristine as the grapes move toward their next phase. The crusher awaits, a machine that splits the grapes with surgical precision, releasing torrents of juice while preserving the essence within. This isn't mere destruction, it's the first step in unlocking flavor. For winemaking, the process deepens. The juice is churned repeatedly, ensuring every drop is saturated with the grape's full potential. This agitation, performed multiple times daily, builds complexity, setting the stage for the alchemy to come. From crusher to press, the juice is refined. The must, skins, seeds, and pulp is squeezed to separate liquid from solids. Screens and filters strip away residue, leaving behind pure, clear juice. This isn't wine yet, but it's poised for greatness. The solids far from waste are repurposed for global industries, think biofuels, cosmetics, or animal feed, proving nothing is squandered in this cycle of creation. Fermentation is where the magic ignites. In towering oak barrels, yeast transforms the grape's natural sugars into alcohol, releasing carbon dioxide that stirs the liquid naturally. This process, deceptively simple, unfolds over months, each batch scrutinized to meet exacting standards. Once perfected, the wine flows into hoppers, where bottling machines fill, seal, and label with flawless precision. The result? Bottles ready to grace tables worldwide, each one a testament to the vineyard's relentless pursuit of excellence. The global appetite for grapes is staggering, over 70 million metric tons consumed annually in forms ranging from fresh fruit to fine wine. This demand fuels an industry where innovation meets tradition, and every step is a calculated move toward perfection. From the vineyard's soil to the bottle's seal, the process is a masterclass in balancing nature's gifts with human ingenuity. Now shift to the sprawling fields, where tomatoes ripen under the same relentless sun. These ruby orbs are the backbone of sauces that elevate meals from mundane to memorable. Harvesting is a race against time, with mechanical giants rolling through rows, their vibrations dislodging only the ripest tomatoes. Unripe ones cling to the vine, safe for another day, while the chosen fruits tumble into waiting bins. At the factory, speed is king. The fresher the tomato, the bolder the sauce. Machines wash and chop the tomatoes with ruthless efficiency, transforming them into a vibrant puree. But sauce isn't just tomatoes, it's a symphony of flavors. Garlic takes center stage, with workers wielding long-handled spatulas to fry cloves to golden perfection. The sizzle fills the air, a prelude to the aroma that will define the sauce's soul. Seasoning is an art form. Pre-measured trays of salt, sugar, and spices are layered into the mix, each addition calibrated to enhance without overpowering. Machines stir until the flavors meld, then pause when harmony is achieved. Before bottling, a signature touch, a single fresh basil leaf is placed at the bottom of each jar. As hot sauce pours in, the basil's oils infuse, adding a layer of freshness that lingers on the palate. The sauce is sealed with precision, each jar a promise of quality. But sauce is only half the story. Pasta, the perfect partner, begins with durum wheat, its grains sifted and milled into fine semolina. This golden powder is the foundation of pasta that holds its shape under heat, never turning mushy. The semolina is kneaded into dough, then forced through extruder dies to form penna's iconic tubes. Dried to perfection, the pasta is briefly cooked in steaming vats, then cooled to halt the process, ensuring it's ready for its final act. When pasta and sauce unite, precision reigns. Machines portion the penna with weight sensors, ensuring every tray is identical. Sauce is dispensed in a cascade, coating each piece evenly to avoid dry patches or soggy clumps. The result is a meal that's as visually appealing as it is delicious, ready to be savored at home or on the go. The holiday season brings a different kind of magic. Panettone, the Italian bread that defines Christmas. Its production is a year-round endeavor, with factories sourcing ingredients months in advance. Raisins from Turkey, the US, or South Africa arrive sun-dried or mechanically processed, while golden raisins, treated with sulfur, add a fruity brightness. Sugar, a blend of cane and beet, sweetens the mix, while egg yolks, mandated at 4% by weight, lend richness and color. Dough mixing is a colossal task, with industrial mixers churning hundreds of kilograms at once. Timing is critical. The dough rests for 12 to 20 hours, letting natural yeast create its airy texture. Automated machines portion and shape the dough, placing it into grease-resistant paper molds that define Panettone's iconic shape. A second proofing integrates fruits and flavors, while ovens with rotating racks ensure even baking. Hand-scored tops encourage uniform rising, and post-baking, loaves are cooled upside down on special racks to preserve their delicate structure. For those who crave decadence, chocolate panettone offers an indulgent twist. High cocoa content beans melt into the dough, creating pockets of richness that elevate the experience. Production peaks in the final quarter, with factories running 24/7 to meet global demand. The result is a bread that's more than a dessert, it's a tradition, a labor of love that connects generations. In apple orchards, another story unfolds. Mechanical tree shakers grip trunks, unleashing a cascade of apples in seconds. These fruits, destined for caramel apples, are handled with care to avoid bruising. At the factory, they're washed, their natural wax scrubbed away by soft bristles to ensure caramel adheres perfectly. A high-powered drying system prepares them for the next step, wooden sticks, inserted with precision by machines that align each apple stem side up. The caramel itself is a marvel, thick, buttery, and perfectly balanced. Apples are dipped one by one, the warm caramel enveloping them in a glossy embrace. Some are rolled in nuts, others coated with chocolate chips or candies for younger fans. Each apple is wrapped in a clear apple-shaped plastic shell, preserving freshness and enhancing allure. The result is a treat that's as delightful to look at as it is to eat, a perfect blend of nature's crispness and human artistry. From grape to wine, tomato to sauce, wheat to pasta, and apple to caramel-dipped delight, the journey of food production is a testament to human ingenuity. Every step, from the field to the factory, is a calculated act of creation, driven by a relentless pursuit of flavor and quality. This is the unseen world behind your favorite foods, a world where tradition meets technology, and every bite tells a story of care, precision, and passion.